Why don't you want to co-parent with your baby dad?
Hi mga kapatis! So today we are playing a game with Lucky Beauty's newest Lucky Charms, Lip Spicer! So ayan. How do you play this, Baji? Oh my God. Okay lang. Actually, I love spicy, kaya let's see.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, this is basic lang to me.
Okay, level 1. This is the easy round.
If I can answer it, I will put the
Level
normal.
one, yeah.
Okay. Game.
What is the weirdest thing you've heard from a basher?
Siguro may sugar daddy ako. Although, okay lang. I mean, gets ko naman. For some, hindi pa rin real job ang social media. So, I am putting heated by the way, ha. Let's see. Mahilig ako sa maanghang, so this is just basic to me. Ay, ang ganda niya. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty color, you know. I would wear this, honestly. Tapos it's gonna plump my small lips pa. Oy, na-feel ko siya. Level 1 pa lang siya, but na-feel ko siya sa tongue ko.
Weird food combination that you love.
Biryani rice and strawberry yogurt. Is that a weird combo?
Yeah, I find that weird.
It's so good though. Yun lang. That's it. Sumanghang and I can feel it sa tongue ko. Level 1 pa lang to
Name drop a celebrity crush.
Piolo Pascual. Piolo Pascual talaga. Okay, I can remove this
she's
na.
safe. Yeah.
Oh my God. I-feel ko siya Pero, it's tolerable. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna get water.
So, Bea was able to surpass level 1 kasi that's just the warm-up stage. Are you ready for level 2?
Okay, I'm gonna try naman for this level si Fever.
Has there ever been a moment na may sinabi kang niregret mo sa isang interview? Like with any collab?
Oo, syempre. I think when I talk too much about my family's past, I just realized that it wasn't necessary. I could have said, other terms. Yun. This one is Fever. Huy, nakifeel ko siya. And I think my lips is plumping. Is it plumping? Ang anghang niya eh. Yung iba, I don't care. Yung mga sinasagot ko na nakipag-LP ako sa bar, I don't regret that.
When was the last time you stalked your ex or your baby daddy?
Naka-block na siya sa akin eh. Kasi when I heal, I try my best na hindi talaga i-check. My way of moving on kasi talaga is block you, delete you from my life. Ayan, naka-block siya. Ang anghang!
What's the most embarrassing thing you posted online?
Oh my gosh, whenever I cry. Hindi ko na kaya. Tinanggal ko na, i-answered it naman. I don't care if wala na siya sa mechanics.
This is level 3. Medyo personal na yung questions here, so are you ready?
Hindi pa ba personal yun? Okay, game.
Since you were able to mention earlier about the momol situation with QD, kaya mo ba pangalanan yung nakamomol mo sa bar?
Hit flamin! Hindi! Nagsistart ka lang yung career niya. Huwag nating sirain. Go!
Sino yung recently blocked content creator or celebrity sa kahit na anong social media accounts?
Okay, sa IG, ang recently blocked kong mga basher, I blocked 236 people. And yung pinaka-recent ko na tao is my ex. Diyos ko, puro mga bashers.
Why don't you want to co-parent with your baby dad?
I'm just I'm gonna kain na lang ng kakain ko na lang to. Kakain na lang ako ng sili. No, I can't answer that. I have my reasons and not everyone will understand it. I don't wanna be misunderstood and I respect my ex's privacy. This hurts! Nag-plump ba? Did my lips even plump? Is the pain worth it? Oh my gosh, this actually hurts. Guys, these are the new spicy lip spicer Lucky Beauty and I can't anymore. Bye.